What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Repeat customer today. Actually, both times I've been here, it's been because the son was doing it for his elderly mother that in and out of the hospital and stuff. So she's about to come back again, and he wants to get it cleaned again. So he gave me a call. He's from out of state. He's just taking care of his mother, and basically, last time I was here, it was pretty bad, about like it is now. He didn't expect the miracles, and I definitely didn't give him any miracle expectations. So I remember that red there. I hit that with a post spray. It didn't go anywhere. He's not really worried about trying to steam it out or anything. But you can tell I gotta do a really good vacuum first. Hallway. The lady, she's in her 90s, so, understandable. So she has a lot of spills here and stuff. But I think I'm going to get a pretty good results out of this. As far as this browning and stuff, I'll treat that. I can't guarantee that. I remember there was a lot of browning last time. I did do a post spray on it, and we'll see. It's been a while, so stay tuned. I just changed my bag for my vacuum. And yeah, ready to go. Alright, all vacuumed up. I'm going to go ahead and lay down my pre-spray. I'll tell you what I'm using. As you can tell, it's really, really bad. I'm not going to tell you what I'm using this job. Stick around to the end and I'll let you know. So, pre-spraying. Question I was asked the other day is, what do you do first? Well, after you pre-spray, do you let it dwell and then agitate? Or do you spray it down, dwell, or agitate and then let it dwell? At first I was like, oh, I just agitate when I'm done. But you know what? I'm always learning. I started thinking about that a little bit. And actually, what I'm going to start doing now, I'm going to put down the pre-spray, let that pre-spray dwell a little bit before I actually start the agitation. So at least 10 minutes or so, Carpet details, they say you don't have to let it dwell, but general rule, dwelling. Got some sticker stuff on here. Yeah, so I'm gonna start doing that, and that's what I'm gonna do on this job. I'm gonna pre-spray, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let it dwell, then I'll agitate. Alright, so the lighting's bad in here. That light's out, unfortunately. But we got some browning. Not sure, it's probably coffee. So I'm treating this. If you watch my channel and you think I know what I'm using, go ahead and comment below. disappears. Usually I do this before I pre-spray. Walk around and hit all the areas, but I got a little sidetracked. But at least I didn't forget altogether. So anything left over, I'll spot after I'm done. Just for the heck of it, I'll put that there. I ain't going nowhere. Alright, so it looks like I'm all prepped as far as the cleaning. Or cleaning. I'm tripping. Yeah, the cleaning. All prepped as far as the cleaning. So I spotted everything that I can see and then pre-sprayed. Now I'm gonna, it's been about, by the time I get my scrubber out here, it's gonna be about 10 minutes. Come to think of it, it probably usually is around 10 minutes if I'm working by myself before I start scrubbing. But if I have somebody working with me and we're pretty efficient, he's right after me as I'm pre-scrubbing or as I'm pre-spraying. So, yeah. Yellow spot, browning marker. It's gone already. I want to give a shout out to the Wheeler brothers. I posted a video last week, and it was it was a course on, or a class pretty much on how to start a carpet cleaning business, and also referring to the carpet cleaning course that I'm actually started. And you actually have to purchase it. It's not an outrageous amount of money. If you think about the headaches it's going to save you and all the work you're going to try to have to figure out to get your business going. But yeah, the Wheeler brothers, they shared my video on their Facebook, VLM Lounge. A lot of VLM guys, but this is why I like the Wheeler brothers. I'll tell you why I like them. Okay, a lot of ways we do a lot of things different in the carpet cleaning industry. Yeah, our methods and stuff. They're mostly they're all VLM. And you know that I do VLM a lot. I do both. But they're not so tribal that they're not going to notice somebody who's actually trying to help people out more than the method. Just trying to help people out on changing their life and giving them some hope and maybe making an income where they can survive. And just teaching people, I'm just teaching people what I do. I can't teach people what other people do, right? This is what I do, so I'm passing it on. I do hot water extraction mainly, and I do a lot of VLN. So really appreciate it, guys. Wheeler Brothers, if you're thinking about starting a carpet cleaning business and you want to start with a low, you only have don't have a lot of money, very low budget. I did do a video on that, $500 or less to start a carpet cleaning business. Well, this is all they use. So check out what they're doing. Notice how they're making a living off using under $500 worth of equipment. And don't get discouraged when you go to start your business, all right? And for now, and if you want to upgrade from there, then you can always have. I upgraded from minimal to where I'm at. So it all depends on you. So look at that already, man. I can't wait to extract. I'm excited. All right, stay tuned. Now for the reveal. Hold up. Is this the same house? Yeah, I guess it is. Boy, if this carpet could have came out any better. You know? Alright, so we got a little bit of yellow in right here. So what I'm going to do, I hit this with that spray I was telling you about earlier. I want you to tell me what I was using back over there. Well, that one disappeared. Just couldn't see it. That's why it's really good to do this before you pre-spray with your solution. Go around this, do this, hit the specialty spots. All right, guys. So that's it. So I told you I was going to tell you what I was using at the end of the video. Well, I lied. I'm not going to tell you. I'm not even going to tell you what I used. I already did tell you at the beginning of the video. So if you didn't catch it, go back and listen. And write it down below. Or type it down below. Comment down below. Anyway, yeah, carpets came out great. I'm sure the customer's going to be ecstatic. I'm going to take some pictures and send it to him in the invoice. That way you can see the results since he's out of state. And thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, I'm so impressed on the results. I think I'm gonna keep using this solution. Alright, see you in the next one.